I woke up one morning and saw that I lost something I thought I could keep. So I walked through town looking all around, trying to hunt down the thief. But then it hit me like a pile of bricks. Good things rarely stick. Stuff gets stolen, hearts get broken, bad luck strikes twice. Stuff gets stolen, but I keep holding, hoping they'll come back fine. I looked all afternoon, so much stuff to search through, but I just couldn't find it. So now I'm resigned, fine, it's no longer mine. Maybe someone else will like it. And then it hit me like a pile of bricks. Good things rarely stick. Stuff gets stolen, hearts get broken, bad luck strikes twice. Stuff gets stolen, but I keep holding, hoping they'll come back fine. It's strange how cities can get quiet. Empty streets and coffee shops. There's no one around in a busy town. It's like the clock just stops. I breathe it in, don't think too much. A quiet Sunday, no one can touch. It's like a still life painting of a city. Nothing dares to move while I'm out here sitting. It's like a still life, an impressive impression of how we give our cities their direction. But now it's still like tension. It's quiet now. A little too quiet. But tell me why it's so unnerving. Or should I try to start a riot. Breathe it in, don't think too much. A quiet Sunday, no one can touch. It's like a still life painting of a city. Nothing dares to move while I'm out here sitting. It's like a still life, an impressive impression of how we give our cities their direction. Now it's still life.